Struggling with your finances and not sure where to begin? You're not alone. And the good news is, it's never too late to take control. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck, dealing with debt, or just trying to save more effectively, these 10 smart money tips can help you build a stronger financial future. No matter your income or situation, these practical strategies are designed to guide you through tough times and bring stability and confidence to your financial life. Here are 10 smart tips to help you take control of your money, no matter where you're starting from. Tip number 1. Start with a budget. Managing your money effectively begins with one fundamental step: creating a budget. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you make informed financial decisions. Use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard to easily track what's coming in and what's going out. When you know exactly where your money is going, you gain control over your spending, reduce financial stress, and can start setting realistic goals. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment and making your money work for you. Tip number 2. Build an emergency fund. One of the smartest financial moves you can make is building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. This fund acts as a financial cushion, protecting you from unexpected setbacks like job loss, medical bills, or urgent repairs. Even if you can only set aside a small amount each month, start now. Over time, those contributions add up and give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared when life throws unexpected challenges your way. Tip number 3. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can quickly become a major drain on your finances. The longer you carry it, the more you end up paying in interest, leaving less room to save or invest. Make it a priority to tackle these debts first, either by using the avalanche method, starting with the highest interest rate, or the snowball method, starting with the smallest balance for motivation. Paying off high-interest debt frees up more of your income, reduces financial stress, and gives you the freedom to focus on building real wealth. Tip number 4. Live below your means. One of the most powerful habits for long-term financial success is living below your means. This means consistently spending less than you earn, regardless of how much your income grows. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, upgrading your spending as your earnings increase. But resisting that urge allows you to save and invest more. Living simply doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being intentional with your money. By maintaining a modest lifestyle, you create a strong financial foundation and open the door to greater freedom and financial independence. Tip number 5. Prioritize essentials in hard times. When money is tight, it's crucial to focus on your most essential needs first: housing, food, utilities, and transportation. These are the foundation of your daily life and must be protected above all else. Temporarily cut back on non-essential expenses like dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment. If you're struggling to make ends meet, don't hesitate to seek help. Government benefits programs, community resources, and even creditors often offer assistance or flexible payment options during financial hardship. Taking action early helps you stay afloat and avoid falling deeper into financial stress. Tip number 6. Boost your income. If your current income isn't enough to meet your needs or financial goals, it's time to explore ways to boost your cash flow. There are plenty of flexible options available. Take on part-time gigs, sell unused items around the house, or explore freelance opportunities online. Consider online tutoring, coaching, e-commerce or dropshipping, virtual assistant services, content creation, social media management, or even starting a print-on-demand store. You can also look into delivery or ride-sharing jobs or offer pet sitting and dog walking in your community. Every extra pound or dollar earned brings you one step closer to financial stability. Tip number 7. Start investing early. You don't need a large sum of money to begin investing, just the willingness to start. Thanks to modern tools like investment apps and low-cost index funds, getting started is easier than ever. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time through the power of compound interest. Consider using apps that round up your spare change and invest it automatically, or look into diversified index funds that offer steady, long-term growth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Investing early is one of the smartest moves for building long-term wealth. Tip number 8, get financially educated. Knowledge truly is power when it comes to managing money. The more you understand personal finance, the better choices you'll make about saving, spending, investing, and planning for the future. Make it a habit to learn from trusted sources. Read books by reputable financial experts, listen to personal finance podcasts, and follow educational YouTube channels. Financial literacy empowers you to avoid common pitfalls, spot opportunities, and build confidence in your money decisions. Education doesn't cost much, but the return on investment can last a lifetime. The smarter you get, the stronger your financial future becomes. Tip number 9, learn from others. One of the most effective ways to improve your financial habits is by learning from those who have mastered money management. Study the insights of financial experts and successful individuals like Dave Ramsey, Warren Buffett, Sam Walton, and Suze Orman. Each of them offers valuable lessons on budgeting, saving, and investing that can apply to anyone, regardless of income level. Watch their videos, read their books, and absorb their strategies. The foundational principles of personal finance are universal. Apply them consistently and you'll be on your way to lasting financial success. Make their wisdom work for you. Tip number 10, mind your mental health. Money stress is real and it can take a serious toll on your overall well-being. Ignoring it won't make it go away. In fact, it often makes things worse. It's important to acknowledge your feelings and take steps to manage them. Talk to someone you trust, join financial support groups, or seek guidance from a professional counselor if needed. Even taking small breaks to clear your mind can help. A healthy mindset is key to making clear, confident financial decisions. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as managing your money. And there you have it, 10 smart money tips to help you take back control of your financial future. Remember, no matter where you're starting from, progress is possible with the right mindset and consistent action. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. Your journey to financial freedom starts with one smart decision at a time. Let's grow together, stronger, smarter, and more financially confident every step of the way.